welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Momma MD, and you guys, we are going to be unboxing the June 2018 Boxycharm box. I'm very excited about this one, and I will tell you why once we open it, because I couldn't help it. I kind of did a little sneaky peeky and watched a couple other unboxings, and the one item in here has me all kinds of excited. So before we get started, real quick, I do want to let you guys know I do still have a giveaway going on my channel. It's under my birthday video. I wanted to give back to you guys and show my appreciation for everything you guys have done. It's just a little something something. I will leave that video. I totally lost my train of thought again, and I just ate. You know, I was really hungry, so I had to eat, and I think it's still like trying to get to my belly because I get hangry bad. Anyways, off topic. So I will leave that video linked down in my description box below. You guys know I do easy peasy type of giveaways. You just go over to that particular video, which again is my birthday video. I do show 2 of the items I am giving away, and then because it's a birthday video, I've got some little surprises that only the winner will see. So check that video out. Just comment, subscribe, in your comment leave how I can get a hold of you, all that good stuff. But it's very easy. You just have to like, comment, and subscribe. Anywho, I'm talking too much. We're already a couple minutes in. Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Okay guys, so got my scissors ready. Okay, I'm gonna just ruin it right now. There is a palette in here that I almost purchased. When I watched Kathleen Lights do the unveiling for her friend actually is, you know, the owner of this palette, creator, whatever you want to call it, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and I wanted to review it for you guys, but I get teased for my enunciation on a lot of words, and it's a Cuban-based brand slash palette, so all the names are like so far out my comfort zone. So that's the reason I didn't pick it up. And then I heard it was going to be in the Boxycharm, and I'm like, hallelujah! I'm so excited. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service that comes directly to your door. It does cost $21 a month. Now I do believe if you do purchase it like the whole year or maybe 6 months, whatever it is, you do get a little bit of a discount. I personally, for the couple years that I've been receiving it, I just purchase it monthly for the $21. So right off the bat, it does come with this little pamphlet. They switch it out. It goes between a postcard to a pamphlet, and every box is always themed. This box theme is Caribbean Queen, and it does tell you each product that's on here and the retail value of each product. So at the end of the unboxing, I like to add up my total and make sure it was way more than the $21 that I spent. So moving right in, this is what it looks like right here, and you guys know I'm gonna pull this right out. How adorable is this? You guys know I love the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. It smells absolutely amazing, and okay, I need my husband here. I can't open it, so I'm not going to open it, but it's $45 for the large size of this stuff, guys. I don't even have to look at the pamphlet because I know how much it retails for. It's crazy expensive, but it smells so good. And if you guys watched one of my videos where I talk about my favorites video, I do purchase a pistachio body butter for $28. So it's still kind of pricey, but it is less expensive, and it smells very, very similar to this. I love this, and my husband loves it too when I wear it. Okay, so the next item, ooh, I did receive 3 Luxie brushes. Those do retail for $42 for all 3 of these, which is very nice. It looks like duo fiber powder brush, a precision foundation brush, and a tapered highlighter brush. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty excited about that. The next item I did receive is Baddington. It's a 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe silk lashes. I knew this was coming, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a smidgen disappointed. Oh, these are really pretty and natural looking, y'all. They look very natural. They do retail for $28. As you guys know, I am queen of layering the mascara because I struggle so much with false eyelashes. So I will put these in my drawer and maybe one day master the skill, but not today. Okay, so the next item I did receive is a Jaune de Bleu charcoal eye pencil. I have received this brand before and it was a really pretty blue, but it was really hard. So I'm going to put this in my collection. I'll try it out later, but I mean, I like the fact that it's charcoal versus like black because I feel like every subscription service sends you a black eyeliner. Okay, so next I did receive a Ofra lasting liquid lip in the shade Verona. Oh my gosh, it smells good. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. That's a shade I will actually wear, so I'm very happy. It's kind of similar to what I have on today, which is my L'Oreal The Chocolate Collection. Oh, smells amazing. So this does retail for $21. It says it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick in a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. Creamy, soft, $21. Okay, so here, I know that I'm like rushing through everything because I was wanting to get to this, which was at the bottom. This is the ALAMAR, I think is how you say it, cosmetics. Look at, oh, wow. They're actually bigger than I thought. I thought that they were smaller pans, to be honest with you guys. But, oh, I have to touch this one. And I don't even know how to say it. It's this one, L something. See why I didn't buy... Oh, you are so pretty. Oh, I love it. That is so pretty. And these blues, oh my goodness. Look at these blues. Let's try these. We'll do this one. Oh, yes, girl. Oh, oh, I'm so excited about this, guys. I am so flippin' excited. I'm looking at my mirror. Sorry, I probably should be looking at the camera, but I'm telling you, this palette I have been wanting. Here's another one. La Costa? Hi, I took French, so, and I struggled in that because I can't even speak English. Oh, you guys, this palette. If you guys want to see a video on a look with this palette, please leave a comment down below. Let me know. Just be forewarned that I will not probably enunciate one of these words right. I can tell you that right now. But oh, the looks we could create with this, you guys. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. And if memory serves me correctly, which sometimes it really just doesn't, I'm pretty sure this was a pretty affordable palette. $28. So it's a $28 palette. You do get a total of 8 shades and they are absolutely gorgeous. There's 4 shimmers up here, 4 mattes down here, or up here, whatever. Yeah, like right here. It's so pretty. I know I keep just like looking in the mirror and the monitor and everything, but oh my goodness. I have been so excited about this palette, and like I said, this is volume 1, so that means there's going to be more to come. But I was so hesitant on reviewing the palette for you guys because I'm like, I am going to butcher it and I'm so sorry. But yeah, it came in the Boxycharm, so I'm so happy because I literally was teetering purchasing it. I wanted it so bad. It reminds me so much of the Urban Decay, I think it's called the Beach Collection or something. I feel like some of these shades are very similar to it. I don't personally own that one, but I know a lot of people did receive it in PR, and it was the palette's talking to me, the Urban Decay one, until I found this one, and then I'm like, ooh, I want this one more. So anyways, like I said, if you guys want to see a look, you know, I create a look with this, let me know, leave a comment down below, and let me go ahead, total this up for y'all, and we will see how much it all came to. Okay guys, so I am back with the grand total of $134. There you go. So like I said, I only paid $21 for it. So just a quick recap on everything. Am I happy with it? Do I feel like this box is worth the $21? Absolutely, because like I said, this does retail for $28. There was no coupon codes that I was aware of. So you would have paid $28 plus shipping. So out of everything in this box, if this was the only thing I received, I would be crazy happy, because this was a palette I was truly wanting, that I feel is absolutely gorgeous. Now y'all know I do love my Bum Bum, Boom Boom, whatever you guys want to call it, cream. So to have this cute little travel size, I think is great. You can throw it in your purse, in your travel bag, what have you. As far as the Luxie brushes go, I'm happy with those. I do enjoy the Luxie brushes. $42 is crazy expensive, so I'm always happy to get high-end brushes in here, especially only paying $21. I do like this Oprah. I do think this is a pretty shade. I'm not a huge fan of liquid matte lipsticks, but this is supposed to be a comfortable one, so I will definitely be trying that out. Like I said, it does seem pretty similar to the L'Oreal chocolate one that I have, which is matte, but I find that to be very comfortable, so maybe this Oprah one will be comfortable as well. And then I did receive the Jonte Blur, look at me sounding so fancy, the pencil. I was not a fan of the blue one that I did receive, just because I felt like I was really tugging at my eye to try and get that on. But it only retails for $5, so it's not like the end of the world or anything like that, because everything else I received in my box I'm very happy with. And then of course I did receive, I almost forgot about these lashes, which, I mean, I like the touch. It's something different. I think they're very pretty. But you guys know me and lashes. I'm a layery type of girl, but I can always play around and, you know, play around and try them out and get better and, you know, conquer the lashes. I don't know. So anyways, that's all for today's video. Don't forget there's still a giveaway going on, so make sure to check out my description box for that particular video so you can go enter to win. As always, everything on my face will be linked down below for y'all. And you guys, I am testing out the Makeup Revolution foundation up against the Hourglass. If that video is not already up, watch for it. It's coming. Is it a dupe or just a waste of money? Find out. I'm really excited about that. So anyways, that's all. And so until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.